In this video, I will show you how to connect Roblox to Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Discord. Now in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner of Discord and click onto the gear icon to go into your settings. From here, what you need to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and you want to come down and click onto connections just down here. So this way you can come to actually connect your different accounts. Now you can't see Roblox here, but if you actually go across and click onto this arrow over here, which says view more, you will notice there is a Roblox icon down here. So all you want to do is give that a click. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now, if you're currently logged into your Roblox account, it's automatically going to detect that. If you want to use a different account, make sure to come down and click change account. But if you're happy with the accounts selected, just come down and click onto continue. Now what's going to happen, you're going to get a screen like this which says Discord is requesting access. It's going to tell you all the different things about this, and all you want to do is come down and click the account that you want to connect. So for myself, that's going to be Tech Tutor YT. So I'm going to click the select button just down here. Once you've done that, come down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom, you're going to see the blue continue button. So just go ahead, give that a click, and then you just need to wait 3 seconds, and then it's going to say confirm and give access. Go ahead and click that button, and what it's going to do is redirect you back to Discord. So as you can see, it now says connected your Roblox account to Discord. You can close this window and go back to Discord. So what we can do now is come back to our desktop, and I'm just going to go ahead, open up Discord. As you can see, it's now connected Roblox to Discord. So now whenever someone clicks onto your profile, they'll be able to see information about Roblox, what you're playing, and things like that. So that's how to connect Roblox to Discord. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.